If you just bought a new device or you just factory reset your Firestick or streaming box, you want to load it up again with your favorite applications. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it real quick. Before we start, I would like to assume that you already downloaded the downloader app and turned on apps from unknown sources on Firestick, as most of you already had, to save us some time and to help me with YouTube retention. So if you have not done that yet, please refer to this 2-minute video I made on how to turn on apps from unknown sources or how to find developer option. But with that out of the way, let's open Downloader. It's important to choose Allow if it asks you, hit OK, move up and click on the URL and type this in: 907455. Then hit Go and wait for it to load up. You will find yourself revisiting this page to download even more apps since I will be adding more, so here's a quick tip. Be sure to add this page to your favorite first. To do that, press the 3-line button on your remote and choose Add Current Page to Favorites. Then choose Save. The next time you open Downloader, you just go here at Favorites to open the page. This way you don't have to memorize and type in the code over and again. Now for easy view, press the 3-line button once again, and once this menu shows up, press it once more. This is better. Now choose from the category, and then choose from the list. You will then see more information about the app. You want to take time to read them, then look for the download button and click on it. It will then download the app real quick. Then it will ask to install. Once done, be sure to delete the file to save up some space as you no longer need it. Repeat the step until your device is fully loaded. It is always recommended to turn on a VPN before you sideload apps on your device, so this warning will remind you to do so. There is a QR code here as well to open this page on your smartphone. You can tap on this recommended VPN service if you don't have VPN yet. I hope you find this video quick and informative. If so, maybe you can share this video, give it a like to help my channel and my other projects in the future. Be sure to leave some comments as well. I would like to hear from you. That's all that we have for today. I do want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.